We're back.
Hola.
With another burp contest, baby!
A repeat of the sequel, basically.
Yeah.
So that's
Yeah.
a prequel?
We had to do it 4th of July, baby. Best time.
Yeah.
Alright, here we go.
Our last one
I'll
got
let- I
over
guess I'll let
800 views, so we're celebrating it by doing a redo,
Exactly.
or whatever you want to call it.
Yeah. So, I've got Mountain Dew, and they've got Dr. Pepper.
Yeah, both of us.
Two freaking rules!
Really?
Who's starting off? Too late. Damn!
Damn.
That's very funny as shit.
I had a pound my chest just for him.
Okay, wait. Okay, go ahead, Aaron. You.
Wait.
Woo-wee. That was funny as shit.
Okay.
You're not doing like last time, bro. Spit the fuck up.
Wait. So you just said Star Wars for a second. Okay.
What?
Trollolo.
Hello.
No one likes that video.
Okay.
You know this guy.
Nobody knows.
Alright, your turn, Seth. Oh my god. This is looking funny. Damn! Your turn, Aaron.
I don't even turn on a fucking machine gun.
Alright, another turn.
No funny film.
Yeah, just a little bit.
Oh my god.
That was fucking beauty as shit. You're freaking amazing. How the hell are you doing that?
That was a miracle.
Inhale. Then.
He is the godfather of burps.
You inhale.
How do you tell?
Exhale. You
Okay, so you inhale before you burp?
Yeah. Inhale a lot of air.
Now, oh god. No wonder.
That thing makes you lose hair fast.
Yeah, I'm gonna fuck up. Alright, go ahead, Aaron. Damn! Holy shit, that was the biggest one yet.
Oh, wait, what?
He said, ow. It's just you gonna be okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
That really hurts.
I ain't got much left, so I'm gonna try to finish it off.
Yeah.
Alright, go ahead.
I can't, man.
That sucked. Alright, your turn, Aaron. I'm done. I'm empty.
All spilled there.
Yeah, they farted.
What was that?
Oh, yeah. You don't like a freaking donkey. Sound like a damn donkey.
That wasn't my initial plan.
It was funny as shit, though.
Okay, I'm done.
Done? Okay. Well, that was part 2 of Burp Contest, the sequel. Bye, bitches!
Later.